let's do a holiday set. Welcome and welcome back, beautifuls. So I am here with some polishes that Born Pretty sent me. We're just gonna get right into these. I already made the swatches and I'm gonna be showing you guys these beautiful colors. Some of them are cat eye and reflective. I must say this was like a pretty cat eye effect. All of the cat eye polishes are different. I did not expect this color to look like this in person, but it's still really cool and I love the effect that it has. This color here is the color that we're going to be using. I really, really, really love this. And I wanted to do a Christmas set. So here we go. I'm going to size these tips out. I usually size them before, but since they're new, these are my tips that I got from TEMU. I just want to show you guys how they fit to the nail. So I'm going to size them out. I pretty much know my sizing. Like when I get the tips, if the first tip that I can fit is an even number, I know that I have to work with the evens. If it's odd, then I work with the odds. After you size your nails a couple of times, you'll pretty much get the hang of it. Going in with some Rosalind mini polygel tubes. They sent me like a whole kit of them and I have endless shades. So I just decided to go with one of these today over my TEMU tips. And I am using my mini wood stick that I got from TEMU. I'm going to have everything that I'm using linked down below along with these pretty colors from Born Pretty. And yeah, I wanted to tell you guys about blending. This is a softer polygel, so what you see me doing here is bringing it very close to the cuticle without actually pushing it all the way in, because until polygel is cured, it is going to move around and it is going to slide. So what you want to do is just maintain control of your beads that you place down. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. It's better to have to go back and add more than have excess polygel flooding and hanging all over your nails. So, the blending tip. Go in close to the cuticle. I pat it down here and you see that I'm going around so I don't smush my apex. I'm blending from the cuticle area. I fill the cuticle area out. Blend, pat. And then I just let it kind of work itself into those corners. You go back and you clean up your corners, your sides. That's how you maintain your shape before you put it in the lamp. You just want to constantly be shaping. I did do these nails one at a time because it is a little warm where I am recording. So this polygel was very soft and very runny. But I've worked with so many different brands by this point that I just know what to do when I'm using a product. I know how different polygels may behave and what to do when they act a certain way. So when you're dealing with a polygel that's like this, that's a little runny, you just want to make sure you're watching your sides, watching your apex, keeping away from your cuticle. You see, I didn't even cure this yet, and that polygel that I placed close to the cuticle is already self-leveled. Now we're all done and we're ready for some shaping. Please enjoy the shaping portion. It is brief, but it's enjoyable. I think the drill is always satisfying. I'm using a 210, I think this is a 210 grit sanding bands from TEMU, and I love them. They didn't get any tacky layer buildup, and I love that for me. They sent me such a large quantity of sanding bands that I'm going to be using these for a while. So you guys are going to get a nice little idea of how great these things are or are not. Dun, dun, dun. We are all done filing, and now I'm going to be going in with this beautiful magnetic cat eye in this pretty green color. It's just like reminding me of a Christmas tree. Like if Christmas tree was a nail polish, it would be this cat eye gel from Born Pretty, because it just gave me Christmas vibes. Doesn't it feel like Christmas when you look at this polish? But yeah, so I didn't want to get out my liner brush because I'm super lazy, and I just was freestyling this design. I just knew what color I wanted to use. I didn't know what design I was going to do, and I knew that I wanted to use my new charms that I got from TEMU. So I ended up using my silver flat back metallic pearl bead thingies, and I used my snowflake decals that I got also. So this is a part 2 to the TEMU haul. This is the set that I'm doing with the things that I got from TEMU. And all the things that I use besides these Born Pretty polishes and the polygel are from TEMU. Even this magnet. I had to give you guys a close-up of this effect because this color is just so pretty. I did what I could do with this one here. I just had to give it a little bit because the color is just so pretty. I really wanted you guys to see in real time how the magnet is pulling the glitter and reflective pieces to the surface of the nail. I just really think that this pen is a super cool tool to draw the cat eye effect. It's given like, it's kind of giving zebra, but not. I don't know, guys. What do you think of this design? This is super cool. And this is the coolest, you know, design I've done with my magnets besides my Madame Glam set. Gag, they sent me this rubber top coat. I couldn't wait to use rubber top coat. These are the benefits of rubber top coat. Adds extra strength to your nails. Self-leveling, so you get a thicker, more even finish to the nail surface. Sealant for nail foils, stickers, or glitter. And it's excellent for overlays on natural nails. Scratch and stain resistant. It is like 2 times thicker than regular top coat. Super durable, forms to your nail really well, and it's such like, it's like a thinner builder, like a builder in a bottle, and it's super glassy. I cannot really describe it. It's just, I don't want to go back to regular top coat now. I'm using my stars that I got from TEMU, and I told you guys already that I'm using my metallic little pearls. They're flat back or they're curved to the nail. That's why I love the gems and things from TEMU. I'm gonna put the link to everything in the description box. These little mini Christmas trees, I think they're from TEMU. If they're not, they're from Cute Nail Supply because I only get my nail accessories from those 2 places unless I get them from Amazon. So yeah. I'm gonna finish up applying these stones. If you are still watching, like this video if you're loving it. Like this video for a bigger booty and for more money in your bank account, period. Wow, this set came out so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself. I'm getting better. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to me for all your polygel needs. Like, comment, share this video with somebody who might like it. Bye.